Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 10. Angiosperms bearing unisexual flowers are said to be either monoecious or dioecious. Explain with the help of one example each. Monoecious plants होते हैं plants bearing both male and female unisexual flowers on the same plant. Whereas dioecious plants bearing either male or either female or female unisexual flowers on different plants. Examples of monoecious are cucurbit, coconut or maize. Whereas examples of dioecious, papaya, date palms. This was question number